Good morning. We're doing a blueberry avocado smoothie for breakfast. This makes 2 servings for 366 calories apiece. It'll keep you full until lunch. Gonna start it off with a cup of milk, a cup of Greek yogurt, gonna add 1 medium avocado. Works great if they're just starting to go bad and a little bit mushy. Makes it so much easier to scoop it out with a spoon. A tablespoon of honey. Now honey's hard to pour, so just pop it in the microwave. Gets a lot easier after that. A cup and a half of frozen blueberries. We're ready to blend. Start slow, ramp it up to high, blend smooth for 1 to 2 minutes or so, it should be good. Now, here is a good time for you to check your consistency before you start pouring. Because for me, this is a little too thick. Kind of like the women my brother keeps bringing home. But we can fix that. The smoothie, just by adding a little bit of water, blend it a little bit more, and this will thin that smoothie out. There we go. That's more my style, but you do you.